Hello friends, if you are in illiterate family and you want to learn English language, then I think that you will face a lot of problems because illiterate family do not know the importance of English language, and when you will try to speak English language in front of them, I think they will make fun of you that what are you doing, because in some societies I have seen that people give importance to only those people who are rich. And if you are in the beginning and you are not yet doing any kind of job and you are learning English language, improving your English language, your family will think that this person is wasting his time and speaking. As I am making the videos, if you know the English language and you have set up a YouTube channel, you have made a YouTube channel and you are making videos to upload them on YouTube, you know in the beginning you will not get any kind of benefit from YouTube. It will take time to earn some money from YouTube. When your channel will be monetized, then you will get some response. Otherwise you will have to do consistent work. When you will consistently upload the videos, and after the period of 1 year, it may take 1 year, 6 months or more, any of your video will go viral, then your channel will get the all rules or all things that are required to get your channel monetized. So in the beginning, when you will if you know the English language, if you have improved yourself in English language and you right now you are sharing your experience on social media, you are making videos. For making videos you will have to search a location. You will, as I am sitting in my fields, and if someone from my family will come around and they will see me while speaking, and they will think in their back mind that this person is wasting his time and what is he speaking. And when you are not earning from YouTube or anything, when you are not a rich person, you are living a standard life, you belong to middle family, everybody will see you with a criticize eye. They will make fun of you, because I have seen in society that people give respect only to those people who are rich. No matter around them there are so many eligible people. If you are eligible, you are intelligent, but you are poor, the other will not give you the importance. If you are rich, you are not intelligent, you are doing wrong things, they will appreciate you, they will praise you. This is the bad thinking of the people. Not all, there are some people, but mostly people think in this way. There are some little 2%, I think, those will encourage you, those will guide you, those will appreciate you, because they are fair kind of people. All others are unfair. They will blame you, they will try to I think restrict you from your goals, getting goals. They will make some kind of hindrance in your way. So this is it depends on you that whether you become make yourself stop by listening the words of others, bad words of others, slang words of others, or you continue your struggle, and one day when you will succeeded, they will appreciate you as that they never criticize you. So keep in mind and always support the fair people. When you will bring the fair people ahead, they will also bring the other fair people ahead. In this way you will make the circle of fair people. Unfair people are your friends only when you are rich. Fair people are your friend in all circumstances. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you, bye bye.